What's up everyone, I'm Brian, and today I am going to be doing the unboxing of the Cards Against Humanity bullshit box. If you were like me and you woke up early on Friday morning, you probably got an email from Cards Against Humanity saying, hey, we've taken everything off our store and we're just going to sell you this box. If you're one of the 30,000 that actually got it, congratulations. But it was actually sold out within 30 minutes. But I am going to be doing the unboxing today, so we will find out whether Cards Against Humanity was lying or not about this. On their side, they basically said they're not selling anything else on Black Friday except just this. People were asking, is it poop? Is it not? Basically, they said it's poop. If you think it's anything else other than poop, you're going to be sad. So, there we go. Oh, please don't be shit. Please don't be shit. Inside the box is another card. Sorry, another box that actually says bullshit on it. On the side, it actually looks a lot larger. And inside the box, you get a little pin that has a little piece of smiling shit. I need this open still. Alright. Okay, there's some kind of crap around it. Oh my god. It is little shit. It is literally shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the fuck? What the fuck? They even said it on their little they even said it on their website that if you are expecting anything else other than shit, you're paying $6 for a valuable life lesson. Fuck. I just paid $6 for a piece of shit. God, son of a bitch. And don't know how to put on a freaking glove. We're going to look around in the box, see if there's actually anything else in the box other than shit. You know what? Screw this. God damn it. It's shit. Or mud. I'm not smelling that. Alright, so we are going to see if there's anything. I really don't think there is. So, it comes with a nice box. Oh. Hold on. See if there's anything else in the box. Nothing in there, just foam padding. Nothing else in the box. Box made in China, poop made in America. Shit. I'm going to do some actual close-ups for those people that don't actually believe that bullshit came in the box. Yeah, I did decide to put on gloves, but I don't know if it's actual shit or not, but I am not putting my hands on this just in case. This is what came in the box. I got a $6 shit pin. So if you can see it there. Smiley shit. Box. 2 pieces. Congratulations, you bought bullshit. Open it up. That's what was in there. Padding. If you're expecting a card, there's not one in there. Poop made in China. Box made in China. Poop made in America. And that's it. I want to, just in case someone's like, oh, open up the shit. Oh God. Oh, never mind, that's weed, not a worm. So, there you go. I paid $6 for shit. Thanks, Cards Against Humanity.